Welcome to the installation guide for Fishbone off-road step sliders for Toyota's second and third generation Tacoma. Step 1. With a 10mm socket, remove the 6 bolts from each of your factory steps, if equipped. Otherwise, remove the bolts just below the door trim. You may need the help of a friend. Step 2. Assemble your new rails with the included long and short bolts and rounded and flat brackets. The rails require specific placement of the brackets and bolts. The longer bolts will always be installed on the underside of the rail, with the short being used on the side. And the rounded brackets will be installed towards the front of the vehicle. You can tell which rail is driver or passenger by our logo pointing towards the front of the vehicle. Step 3. Loosely secure the steps to your vehicle with your factory hardware. Adjust them for your desired fitment. Finally, tighten down all the hardware with a 13mm socket. And you're done.